Hi, welcome to Analytics School. Today we are going to talk about string functions in SQL. Often, data retrieved from a table is not usable as is and has to be tweaked before it can be used or shared. In such cases, we use functions. Let's discuss some commonly used string functions. Let's start by exploring a real-world dataset called orders. We can see orders table has a lot of attributes like order ID, order date, ship date. Now let's get the list of customers for our marketing department. What attributes do I have? I have customer first name and I have customer last name. But I want to share customer name. For that I can use concatenate function. How does that work? Is I use concat and I give both the columns separated by a comma. But now both first name and last name are clubbed together. I want to separate them out with a space. Better. Now I want to capitalize my last name because my first name appears to be capitalized but my last name is not. For that I can use INITCAP function. Now I want to give the list a column header as customer name. How can I do that? I can do that using column alias. So I'll just have to say as and give this new select column a custom name. Much better. Now I see a lot of duplicates in my list, but I want to send them a unique list. I'll add a distinct keyword. Now I want to give them list of customer IDs instead of customer name. For that, I can use attribute customer ID. But customer ID has leading and trailing hyphens. How can we get rid of them? We can get rid of them using TRIM function. So with TRIM function, we give the column or the attribute name and we give the character we want to get rid of. Now instead of TRIM function, we could also use LTRIM and RTRIM function if we only want to get rid of leading or trailing hyphens. Again, I can see duplicates in my list, so I can use the distinct keyword. Now let's get the list of city and postal code for transportation team. Postal code in US should be 5 characters. Let's see if any postal code is less than 5 characters. We can do so using the length function. So what we want to do is we want to check if length of postal code is less than 5. Oh, we have many postal codes that are less than 5 characters. So what we can do is we can use padding to pad these. Now what does padding do is basically add a specific character that you specify to your attribute value. So let's say we want to pad postal code to what length? To length 5 and with what character? With 0. And now you will see all our postal codes are 5 characters. Now let's get the list of shipping modes for our transportation team. I see that all my shipping modes mostly have class, but I don't want to use the term class. I just want to use the term standard, same day, first and second. How can I do so? Using replace function. With replace function, we can replace any substring of a given string. So let's say for this attribute, I want to replace the substring class with another string that is nothing. And I can see that I have successfully replaced class with nothing and I got the output I was looking for. Now let's get the list of products for our products team. We have attributes product ID and product name. Now I see my product IDs have these prefixes, but I want to get rid of them. How can I get rid of them? I can get rid of them using SUBSTRING function. So with SUBSTRING function, we can specify the attribute, the starting position. So in this case, the starting position will be 8 and the ending position where I want the substring to be. So the ending position will be length of product ID. And now I've successfully gotten rid of the prefixes. With this, we conclude our session. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care and have a good day. Thank you.